welcome back to Minivanning with Kathy. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, I got a great video for y'all today. Look at what's in front of me. A brand new Alpicool C20. So, a beautiful friend, a beautiful woman with a beautiful heart heard about my refrigerator going out and bought me and River a brand new one, and the model that's a little more high-end, the C20. And that beautiful friend, supporter, subscriber, just a kind, wonderful friend, Tamara. Tamara, thank you so much. With all my heart, I received this humbly and thankfully, and I just can't thank you enough. I'm overwhelmed by your kindness, your heart, your generosity. She got it shipped to me in New Mexico, where I am. I picked it up 2 days ago, and this is the video of it. So Tamara, thank you. All right, guys, the C20. So I'm gonna bring out a little note so I don't forget. I forgot some things last time. So I had a C15 I bought for $159 on Amazon on a lightning deal. Lasted me 3 years. So 3 years on the C15. Now we have the C20. So let's talk about it. So it is for 12 volt or for 110. So you can plug this into a regular household outlet, or you plug it into a battery, a 12 volt battery, via this connection right here. So it's a cigarette lighter. You can have it in your car, plug it into your car. I have a cigarette lighter adapter hooked up to my 100 amp hour battery that runs this refrigerator. I have my C15 model here, and we're going to look at some differences. Obviously, the nice raised lid. All right. Ooh, as we open it, as we put the bottled water, the barbecue sauce, any good Texan has with them all the time, my nice sparkling bubbly, and put some mustard. And voila. Beautiful. So when we try to put the bottled water, I'm trying to see, when you have the C15, it has the flat lid. And you can't do that. So this is amazing to me, just to stand the water up, because when you have to lay it down, you lose a lot of space. All right. It works incredible. I'm coming around to show you the inside. Look at that. I don't have it plugged in, but these are the controls. Look at this nice lid. That is what I gained. Awesome. I'm so excited. All right, so I could see some things they did different. I'm going to turn this around a little bit. You could see that connection right there. It has some screws, and they have it screwed down. On the older model, they did not do that, and this was a problem. It got loose sometimes. So like you can see on the C15, a flat lid. My brand new C20 It is so much easier to open. The other one was kind of difficult to get open, but the C20 opens so nicely. All right, let me sit down and tell you all about this. Whoops, sorry. Okay, so you have this is what you plug it into, your battery or your car. And this is the 110 adapter, which just goes right in to a household plug. All right, the power consumption on this, I haven't had it long enough to monitor it. This one ran about 12 amps a day. I don't see this one so far taking much more power at all. So the compressor will come on about every 20 minutes on an hour. So about every 20 minutes, trying to get River to hush, on an hour is about how long the compressor runs on one of these units. This was shipped from Amazon, and they're around $200. And what an unbelievably beautiful gift. And I just can't tell you what a difference in our lives it makes to have this back in our van, keeping I miss butter. I miss butter so much. So I'm about to go to the grocery store and buy some butter and some great things to put in here. All right, so when you run this fridge on a solar, you want to keep the setting that you want to keep it on economy and L for low. The H and the medium are for if you're plugged into on grid. So if you're on solar, the setting is, I have it on 38 degrees Fahrenheit and low in economy mode. And it'll run 24/7 for you. I have a 120 watt solar panel on top of my roof powering this beautiful Alpicool C20. And guys, for $200, it is an amazing, amazing deal. And I'm just so humbled to receive it as a gift from a very, very, very kind woman. Thank you, Tamara, very much again. So hey guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for a lot more great videos. May the sun light up your days and the stars light up your nights. Until next time, you two, take care.